bees love the flowers? And why do the birds love to sing? Why does the sod love the shower? And the vine round the oak loves to cling? Why does the child love its mother? Why does the rose love the dew? I only know that God made it so. Maybe that's why I love you. Birds love to